Hi there everyone, I'm Jerry here with the Happy Hootie, here to save you time and money, and in this case an enormous amount of effort, because I have been struggling with something really disgusting, and that is a ring that has permanently ingrained itself around the inside of my toilet. I have tried to fight this with everything from different cleaners to different things like this, like the Works that you put in there supposedly eats up calcium deposits and things like that. Use scrubbing with a toilet brush every single week, and you get this ring of calcium stuff that builds up that just does not go away. I've tried home remedies, none of it has worked, until I actually came across these. These are pumice stones, and it doesn't necessarily matter the brand. I'll put a link to these down in the description so that you can find them, because this is the one I found from Amazon, but it actually does have a handful of different replacement ones, and they do come with a little wand so that you can actually get down into the toilet. So what I'm referencing here is this line that it builds up around right where the water actually ends up. You can kind of see it. It's yellow, it's disgusting, and whenever you flush the toilet, that line just does not go away. These pumice stones, they actually help grind that off there, and it's safe for the inside of your porcelain enamel on your toilet. And you need to make sure that you soak them in water first so that they're nice and wet, and then you just kind of move them around. Now when you're moving them up here, it moves really smooth. When you start getting it down into this area, it starts catching and grinding. And it's because it's grinding that little line off of there. And I am actually blown away. I did this on one of my other toilets. I had to make sure it worked first. So I tested it on another toilet, and I mean, it absolutely works, 100%. I am blown away with what this is doing. You can see the difference already from where that is to where this has already eroded this away. Now it does leave little bits of powder of this stone. It actually eats the stone away as it goes. And so you will just flush that down when done. But this is going to save so much time and effort as far as doing this. Because you only have to do this the one time, and then it's probably going to last for months before you find it build up another line on there, which is normal cleaning. But when you finally get that little line, you've got this tool to get in here and kind of take care of business and get it off there. I'm going to go ahead and flush this down so you can kind of see the difference here. So line on this side is almost gone. Line on that side still remains. So I'm going to go ahead and work on this other side and get the whole thing done and show you the finished result. So I actually got done, did not take but a few minutes. That line is gone, and I mean, that is amazing. So now I can go ahead and bag this up and save it for a different time. And now you can go ahead and follow it up if you want to, and go ahead and do your typical cleaning, and that's just going to get rid of any of those last little residues that you've just exposed in there. So go ahead and put your chemical in, clean it up, and then you'll be good for many, many months to come, and that should last a long time. This one came with a 4-pack. So if you like money-saving tips like this, please feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll see you again next time.